Hello, everyone. This is Dr. STEM, welcoming you to our platform, your platform. I teach STEM Africa. In this episode, we shall be looking at unit conversion. Let's get started. It can be sometimes necessary to convert from one unit to the other. For example, if you are a Nigerian driving through the United States, you might want to convert miles to kilometer just so you could have a fair idea of how far away your destination is. So how do we convert from 1 hour to second? For us to do this, we need to establish what is called a conversion factor. A conversion factor is simply a ratio that expresses how many of one unit are there in another. For example, 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. 24 hours is equals to 1 day. Just to mention but few. So for us to do the conversion from hour to second, we say 1 hour multiply by 60 minutes in 1 hour. So hour can excuse hour, but then we are moving on to seconds. So now we are at minutes. So we have to convert further. So we have 60 seconds in 1 minute. So minutes cancel out minutes. So we are left with what? 360 multiplied by 60 seconds. That gives us 3,600 seconds. It therefore means that for every hour, there is 3,600 seconds. So let's take some solved problems. Suppose that you drive 10 kilometers from your school to your house in 20 minutes. Calculate your average speed, A in kilometers per hour, B in meters per seconds. So to do this, we have been given a hint that average speed is same thing as distance traveled over time taken. So average speed, abbreviated as such, equals distance traveled all over time taken. So which gives us 10 kilometers all over 20 minutes according to the question. So here now 0 cancel out 0. So we are left with what? Half kilometer per minute. That's 0.5 kilometers per minute. So this is the average speed. So this is what we have been asked to convert to kilometer per hour. A. So we have to convert 0.5 kilometers per minute to kilometers per hour. So when you look at it, kilometer and kilometer, there's kilometer here, there's kilometer here. So we really do not need to convert the kilometer. So we are only interested in converting minutes to hour. So we say 0.5 kilometer in 1 minute multiplied by 60 minutes, which is in 1 hour. So we say minutes cancel out minutes. We are left with what? 0.5 kilometer multiplied by 60 divided by 1 hour. So we have this to be what? 30 kilometers per hour, which is our unit of interest. So to solve question number B, or question B, we have 0.5 kilometers per minute to be converted to meters per seconds. Of course, kilometer here is going to meters, so we need to establish the conversion factor. Meter here is going to seconds, we need to establish the conversion factor for it too. So we have 0.5 kilometer over minutes multiplied by the conversion factor for kilometer and meter. 1000 meters is equals to 1 kilometer. Okay, so multiply by the conversion factor for minutes to seconds. 1 minute all over 60 seconds. Okay, so we can now cut. Okay, so minutes cancel out minutes, kilometer cancel out kilometer. So we are left with 0.5 multiplied by 1000 meters, that's 500 meters, all over 60 seconds. Okay, so now 0 cancel out 0, we have 50 meters over 6 seconds. So that gives us 8.33 meters per seconds, which is our unit of interest. So this is all that it is to conversion. So you establish the conversion factor and work accordingly. So let's see how to solve some problems. If you encounter any issue solving the problem, you can reach out to us on our various social media handles. So try your hands on these questions, solve them as much as you can, and you will be a better version of yourself. Thank you for listening. See you in our next episode.